I'm back at it again with another motherfucking banger. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, is me unboxing my new MacBook Pro 13.3 or is it 13.6 inch? I don't know. I just got a MacBook Pro. It just came. Well, it didn't just come. My mom actually picked it up while I was at work. I just came from work, so I'm just filming this video because I'm gonna use this tonight. Today I had a late shift, so I, couldn't go with her to go pick it up and film this video earlier. So if you guys hear noise in the background, I don't film videos at night because my family is so loud. They're deaf, so the TVs are always on 1,000. Okay, so yeah, we don't do that. But in this case, I really want to use my laptop, and I'm so excited to use it that I'm just gonna unbox it right now. So I wanted to show you guys me unboxing it, of course, because I told you guys I was gonna give you guys an unboxing video in my birthday vlog. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I always keep my promises. But this is my first MacBook ever. I never had a MacBook ever a day in my life. I always used to use my mom's. Now I could finally have one for my own. But the only thing is I don't have a case for it yet, and I don't really know if I'm gonna be taking this outside with me. Like, I'm going on vacation in 3 weeks to Florida, and I want to bring this, but I don't know if I should, because if anything happens to my computer while I'm out on vacation, it's gonna be a problem.
Nothing left to say, like, period.
But yeah, so I'm excited though, but I don't want to leave it home, but I'm excited. Hey guys, so this is editing me. I just wanted to show you guys, because I didn't get to show you guys all of this stuff because none of this stuff was here when I first filmed the video. But since I'm here and I'm already editing, this is literally editing me, and I'm literally editing right now, as you guys can see. So basically I had got a case and a keyboard little thing, and I touched up my computer a lot since I first got it, so I'm just going to show you guys some of the stuff that's on it now, since I didn't get to show you guys that when I first got it and I was just unboxing it and nothing was here, but now everything's here. So yeah, so this is the top. This is what you see when you close the laptop. It's just a regular hard pink case for it, and then my mom had got me these stickers. This one says relax. It was a lot of stickers, and I just got to choose which one I really like, and I like this one. It says relax, and I also went for the pink theme. Well, all of them that had the pink on the side, or pink words, I picked it. So this one says relax. That's what I just picked how I be feeling mainly most of the time. And I use this for school and editing, so it says keep your focus. It's just like more of a motivation type thing. Your laptop should be a motivation sense anyway. You should be using it for anything productive. Then when you open it, I now have a screen protector. I have a screen protector on, but that's not what I was trying to show you. I have a screen saver. This is just me, and then that's me again. And this cute little touch bar, and then the keyboard thingy is pink. And then we have the Dream Big sticker. And then, yeah. I just wanted to show you guys that because I didn't get to show you guys that when I was first filming. So, yeah. Continue watching. What is that on my eye? Yeah, let's get to the unboxing part, though. Maybe I should put the camera down more. For y'all purposes, I'm going to put the camera down lower. But, look. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm so excited. Like, I just can't wait to open it. Oh yeah, so let me tell you how much gigabytes I got. So I have 512 gigabytes SSD. I don't know what that means, but yeah. And then I have 8 gigabytes unified memory. So yeah, and it includes the USB-C power adapter and the USB-C charge cable. That's it. But that should be all that I need for now. All that I really need other than that is a case. So yeah, let's just open this thing up. Okay. Come on, open up. It's gonna look cute, y'all. Oh my god, this is so cute. So I got mine in silver because who doesn't love the silver color? Oh my god. This MacBook Pro only gives you 3 options. They give you like space gray, silver, or is it 2 options? I don't even know, but I know that I was gonna get the silver one. I'm gonna girl, we doing that. Oh my god, this is so freaking cute. It's so slim and small. I could fit this in my freaking purse if I wanted to. But yeah, this is so cute. I can't wait to open this. Alright, so here's the stuff that it comes with. It just comes with the little charger thing that you need to plug into the computer so I can charge. And then It has the big adapter piece that the charger needs to go in so that way the computer can charge. So it just comes with that in here, and then they come with like the little Apple stickers. I don't know if I'm gonna use them, but yeah, I might. It depends. We'll see. Don't mind my old laptop. I got the Sims running in the back. I'm gonna have to download it on here, so it's a good thing that I am unboxing this tonight because I need to get started on that. That's gonna take a while. And I gotta figure out how to do it because I don't know how to do it yet. Oh, very much pretty. I love it. It's so cute. Gotta make sure nobody put their hands right there, but this is so cute. I can't believe it's mine. Oh my god. This type of stuff makes me so excited. I don't even look me opening it on the wrong daggone side. So when you open it up, oh, I got the stuff. Oh, excuse me. Did you hear that? So when you open it up, I think it said I have some type of touch bar. I don't know. Oh, yes I do. You guys see that? Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm so excited. It just, everything is so cool to me. Whatever happens on here. Oh, I have to set it up.
Use English as the main language. Press the return key.
She's talking to me. But yeah, I'm just gonna like set this up a little bit. I don't know how to use the touch bar, but it looks pretty cool. And oh, I could turn my volume up by the touch bar. That is so cool. You can't tell me that's not cool. Look guys, look. It has the brightness, the whatever that is, and then the volume. That is so freaking cool. Alright, let me just set this up a little bit just to try to get used to it or whatever, and then I'll get back with you guys.
2 hours later.
Guys, so I'm back and I'm sitting here getting all used to the computer. I already put a couple photos of me up there from my birthday photo shoot. Ooh, that was a sneak peek or whatever. I really love this laptop. This is so dope. I love how when I play music or anything, I could just touch right here. I don't even gotta, use this little thing if I don't want to. So this is perfect. I love the laptop. I definitely highly recommend. The price is skyrocket, but it is worth it if you ask me. But everything is worth it if you ask me, because if I buy it, I must really want it. I must really like it. I'm just so excited to just use it every day. Like, this is mine. I'm not used to nothing like this being mine. I'm not used to having, like, I'm not gonna say I'm not used to having nice things, but I'm just not used to like big stuff like this. Like, this is so new to me, and I'm so excited to use it and take it places and be like, this is mine. Like, you guys understand. If you know, you know. I mean, but I really enjoy it. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I really love it. And I just can't wait to be using it 24/7. I'm never going to be off this thing, honestly. Like, I'm just really never going to be off of it. Because I can't even, when my mom had first got hers, and I didn't have one and I really wanted one, I always used to use hers because, like, I don't know, I just really liked it. I don't know. But yeah, so this video wasn't supposed to be long. It wasn't supposed to be too short, but I have a feeling that it's gonna be a little short because I don't really have nothing. Almost dropped it there. I don't really have nothing else to say. I will keep you guys updated on it. I just really wanted to show you guys me unboxing it and show you guys everything and talk about it a little bit. I'm really grateful that I ever get the chance to even have something like this. Like, I'm so shocked. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And you guys can comment down below if you guys have the same laptop as me, because we could be twinning them and we could just share our, we have similar about our laptop and share, stuff that we like about our laptop. I don't know. I'm just a very positive person. I really like when I could communicate with my supporters. That's just the world to me. I love it. But yes, you guys, I love you guys so much. I am so tired and I have to wake up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I got off at 9. I got here at 9:30. Okay. And then I have to get up early in the morning once again. But hey, this is the life of making money. So you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I always say that I'm gonna end the video and then I notice that I never end the video. But yeah, I'm just gonna go enjoy my laptop. I'll see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be another unboxing video. I still didn't finish editing my 18th birthday vlog, but by the time I do finish uploading it, this will be able to be uploaded.
I have to literally accept the fact that I do not know how to end videos.
Well, good night, guys, because I'm about to go to sleep. I just can't. Love you guys.